Questions 1. Which type expansion device used in domestic refrigerator? Option A, capillary tube. Option B, automatic expansion valve. Right answer is option A, capillary tube. Questions 2. Which refrigerant use in absorption system? Option A, R12. Option B, R22. Option C, ammonia. Right answer is option C, ammonia. Questions 3. Which pipe diameter is small in refrigerator unit? Option A, suction pipe. Option B, discharge pipe. Right answer is option B, discharge pipe. Questions 4. Which refrigeration system work in domestic air conditioner? Option A, vapor, compression. Option B, vapor, absorption. Option C, none of these. Right answer is option A, vapor, compression. Questions 5. When refrigerant, change it, state vapor, to liquid. Option A, after evaporation. Option B, after condensation. Right answer is option B, after condensation. Question 6. Which part, not properly, work if moisture, presence in, refrigerant? Option A, compressor. Option B, condenser. Option C, expansion valve. Right answer is option C, expansion valve. Question 7. In which part, refrigerant, has low temperature? Option A, evaporator. Option B, condenser. Option C, compressor. Right answer is option A, evaporator. Questions 8. What does work of capillary tube in refrigeration system? Option A, produce cooling effect. Option B, control the flow of refrigerant. Right answer is option B, control the flow of refrigerant.